In this video, I'm helping a merchant with the setup of a barcode parser using this label here. I'm going to use an app called Variable Price Barcode Parser, and the first thing I want to do is make sure that my configuration is complete and that my app is ready for use. I want to go to Accessibility and make sure that the variable price is used services right there. So once that's turned on, I'm good with the app, and the next thing I want to do is work on the setup of this item. So this right here is a cheese steak, and the product code is going to be 2 followed by 2 zeros and then 820. So I'm pretty certain that I don't have an item like that, but let's go ahead and check anyways. So we're gonna do 2 1 2 8 20. Okay, so that doesn't exist, and to add it, I'm gonna go ahead and add an item, and I'm gonna give it a name. Like that. And I'm gonna make this item variable like that. And in the product code, I'm going to enter the first 6 digits that I see: 200820. 200820, like that. It doesn't matter what we do here or in the SKU, that's all we really need right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to my register app. I'm gonna grab my barcode and I'm gonna scan it. And mine comes up to be at 500, 490. This one is 490. So the price is off. And the way to fix that would be to go to the app and then click on the settings here and then choose the first barcode type instead of the second. The second barcode type instead of the first. My apologies. Alright, so put it on second, like that. And then we can go to register and scan this barcode again, like that. And now it's 490. So the barcode type setting should be switched to 2. That's it. And if it's not working with your barcode scanner, try it with the camera, like that. Like that. And if it works with the camera and it doesn't work with the scanner, then get a scanner from Clover. But otherwise, this is the way to set it up. Thank you.